Hello friend, now this is the program to copy the data from one file to another file. So we are taking two files. One is the source file and second one is the destination file. We have to copy the data from the source file to destination file. So this is file copy program. So hash include stdio.h is the header file. Why? Because I am using printf and scanf functions. Next, hash include stdlib.h is the header file when I am using file functions fopen or fclose. So when we are using fopen or fclose, we have to write this stdlib.h header file. Next, program execution will be start with main function. Here I am taking two file pointers, file pointer 1, file pointer 2. So these two are the pointer variables. In these two file pointer variables we can store address of the starting address of the files. Next, char file name of 100 comma c. So here file name is one array with size 100, data type is character. C is one variable which is character data type. So in this array we can store file name. In this variable we are storing individual characters. Next, by using printf function I am asking enter the file name to open for reading. So here I am asking enter the file name of the source. That means we have to enter the file name from which file we want to read the data. So we have to enter the file name from which we want to read the data. Now the scanf function will read that file name and will be stored in array file name. So file name is array. In this particular array, the scanf function will stores the name of the file which we want to be open for reading the data. Next, open one file for reading. So here we are writing the file name only to open. Now here we are opening that particular file. To open that file, this is the function fopen. So fopen is the file function to open a file. Here this is the file name which we want to be open and the mode is read mode. So we are opening this file in read mode. That means to read the data from the file. Okay, after opening the file, that file starting address will be assigned to file pointer variable. So fptr1. So this is one pointer variable. It is assigned first file starting address. Next, if fptr1 is equal to null, that means file is not open. Okay, if the file is open, fptr1 is not null. Next, by using printf function I am asking enter the file name to open for writing. That means here I am asking enter the second file. That means that is the destination file in which file we want to store the data. So it is asking enter file name to open for writing. So I have to enter another file name. In that particular file the data will be stored. So scanf function will read that second file name and will be stored in array file name. Now the file name is having the name of the file which we opened for writing purpose. That is the destination file. So here to write the data, this is the code. So here we have to open the second file in write mode. So fopen file name comma w. Here we can open the file the file name is this one in write mode. So we are opening this file in write mode. So write mode means we have to write the data into that particular file. So that second file starting address will be assigned to this pointer variable fptr2. So we are opening one file in reading purpose, that means in reading mode, and we are assigning that file starting address to fptr1 pointer variable. So here we are opening another file in writing mode. That file starting address will be assigned to fptr2. So reading mode, we are reading the data from this file. Writing mode, we can write the data to this particular file. If fptr2 is equal to null, again it means the file is not open. If file is open, fptr2 will not be null. Next, so now till now we opened two files. One is in reading mode and second one is in writing mode. Now we have to read the data from the file which was opened in read mode, and we have to write the data to the file which was opened in write mode. For doing that, this is the code. So f gets c of fptr1. In fptr1, it is having starting address of the file which was opened in read mode. Starting address means the address of the first character in that particular file which was opened in read mode. So that first character will be read by using fgetC function, will be stored in variable c. So now in variable c, it is having the first character of the file. Now if that character is not equal to end of file, now we have to place that character in second file. So for doing that, I am using this function f put c. So f put c is the function to write the character to a file. So here f put c of c comma fptr2. So this f put c function will read the character from c and will be stored in this particular address fptr2. So fptr2 is the pointer variable. It is having starting address of the second file. So f put c function will write the character from variable c into second file. Next, c equal to f get c of fptr1. Now f get c function will read the second character from the first file, and we are checking that character is not equal to end of file. Now that second character also will be write to the second file. Next, here we are reading the third character from the first file. If that character is not equal to end of file, we are writing that third character to the second file. Like this, it reads all characters one by one from the first file, and if these characters are not end of file, it is writing all these characters to the second file. After some time, that means after reading the total data from the first file, it is getting end of file symbol. So now in variable c, it is having end of file symbol. In while loop, c not equal to end of file, that means end of file not equal to end of file. Condition is false. We are coming out of the while loop. After this, we have to print the message like this: contents copied to %s comma file name. So it gives the message like contents copied to the file name. When we opened two files, we have to close these two files after using. So f close of fptr1, that means first file will be closed. F close of fptr2, that means second file will be closed. Return 0, we are coming out of the program.